favoring that side too. It seems like he likes to get his head a little over his left or right shoulder.